Hi babe, my name is Chi. Welcome to Chi Diaries. This video is going to be how to create these neat, bouncy, coily box braids on my gorgeous client. So to start off, this is the hair we are using. It is by Darling and it is their ombre pre-stretched hair. We used one pack of color 1 and purple, and also just one section of color 1 and this teal color. So I of course make the bricks rectangular pattern for this hairstyle, and I am just going to let you watch because it is more self-explanatory. When we get to the part where I will coil the hair, I made that section into a detailed video for people who want to learn how to coil their braids with hot water. If you're not interested in learning how to make the braids, but you only want to know how I got those juicy bouncy coils, the link to that video will be in the description bar. You can check it out. But if you want to see how I made this hairstyle completely, please keep watching. You'll see how I started it off. Like later in the video, I'm going to make it slow. You will see exactly how I made the braid. This is not knotless braid, but it looks like it's just neat and beautiful. But my client didn't want knotless braid, so we didn't do that. But this is also not so painful, and I didn't braid the hair all the way because I wanted the coils to be like juicy and big. If you want like less coils with less density, then you should braid the hair completely before coiling. If you watch the video where I explain how I coil the hair, you will understand everything that goes into it and why I stopped my braids where I stopped. So I braid to an extent and I let my sister finish it up. It made the hairstyle so much faster than if I was braiding this alone, and the hair turned out really beautiful. Like it's beautiful, I must say. So guys, I'm going to let you keep watching, but please, before then, I know a lot of people do not know this, so that's why I just take out my time sometimes to mention it in my videos. The way YouTubers make money is when people watch the ads YouTube plays on our videos. So please, if you want to be supportive, and I beg you that you should, if it won't take too much from you, but if you're in a hurry, that's still fine. But if you can, please do not skip the ads. If you watch the ads, that is how I can make money from this video. And I understand, like, at least don't skip all of them. Also, for those long ads that are almost like a movie, if you watch for 1 minute, it's fine, then you can skip, it will count. Please do not skip all the ads. If you know someone that is going to benefit from this video, be that amazing friend and just share it. It also helps. If all this I'm asking is too much, then just leave a thumbs up, and that also helps with the YouTube algorithm. So I really appreciate you stopping by. If you have any question, let me know. I am going to link a similar hairstyle I made, but knotless braids, just like this, same coily, same type of hair extensions. I will leave the link to that in the description bar. If you were looking for knotless braid, then you can just watch that one. And if you have any question at all, I will be so glad to answer your questions. So I appreciate every time you spend here. It means a lot to me that someone is interested in seeing what I create. So have a beautiful, blessed day and enjoy your watching. I'll see you later in the video, and let's continue.